Welcome back to our channel. It's 4th of July and where are we at? Fort Worth? Yeah. We're in Fort Worth. Look at all the people.
Y'all, 4th of July. I went to a new video. Look at her, already eating. You already know how she is, man. God damn. 4th of July, we in Fort Worth. Came to a, what do you call this? Like a little festival or whatever. Gonna be some big ass fireworks. I'm gonna show y'all the fireworks. I've been here a couple times, a long time, but it's been a while. But yeah, I'll probably put some pictures in here, how it look like. Y'all gonna I'll load up, bro. But yeah, we'll show y'all more later on.
A few moments later.
It's literally been 2 minutes later. Look at this. She's done with it. She, and she. Damn, that's good, bro. It's good.
It's real good.
Guys, we're going back inside because her fat ass wants a damn turkey leg. A $10 turkey leg. That's what she wants. Now we're going to have to go back inside.
They're big.
What?
Y'all, they didn't have no turkey legs. He's mad. We're in this lane.
Come on down. Maybe you can show me how.
What the fuck is this, bro? I'm on the stage and I'm going to slap her. No, there's no fucking turkey legs. There was no turkey legs, so her fat ass got this fucking burger. Look at her fat ass. She's always eating, bro. Guess how much else it was? $10.
It's a brisket sandwich. Not
What I say? A burger? You're trying to correct me, bro? It was still $10. So many damn people, bro.
We in America.
This is America, head ass. Yo, look how many people is over there. I can't see because I'm moving, but fucking concert right here and shit. Bro, look how packed it is. Like, she mad as hell. She always mad for no reason. She got fed and everything, and she's still mad. Yeah, she's mad. Oh, look at that nasty ass fucking sandwich.
Oh.
That shit look disgusting. She just ate that.
It's good.
Oh, she mad at me. I'm never bringing her out again.
Why?
I'll never bring her with my family again. She's so embarrassing, dude.
Those that are coloring. Those little shimmers. Little glitters. Those are my favorite.
Nah, you already said the blue one's your favorite. You can't change.
No, this
Nah, you can't change.
is my favorite.
Nah, you said the other one because these hadn't even came out yet.
This was my favorite.
These are all, they all your favorites, bro.
No, look at how pretty it looks.
Nah, you said the other one was better.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. Hopefully these come out good because I'm gonna be mad if they don't.
like different, like this one, but different colors. Pretty. I like the ones that are glittery like that.
They couldn't even see nothing, bro. Look at that. You see what I'm telling you? Imagine being over there. Imagine being... Yo, that was the end of the fireworks.
And they were very beautiful. And loud.
Very loud.
They were all my favorite.
But yeah, if y'all new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If y'all trying to see more content, well, not like this, because it's gonna be once in a year. But
Let us know what y'all want to see.
yeah, we'll see y'all next video.